Hey plant lovers, welcome back to Wild Legacy. Today we're diving into the secrets of the rubber plant and uncovering why it sometimes stops growing and how you can actually trigger explosive growth. What I discovered might completely change the way you care for this beautiful indoor plant and help you turn a slow, dull rubber plant into a fast-growing, vibrant centerpiece in your home. If your rubber plant is growing too slowly or not producing new leaves, you might be missing a few simple but powerful tricks. Many people think they are doing everything right, but small changes can make a huge difference. In this video, I'm going to share 7 hidden tricks that can boost your rubber plant's growth up to 5 times faster. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last trick is something even experienced plant owners often ignore. Rubber plants are one of the most popular indoor plants because of their large, glossy leaves and strong structure. They are easy to care for, but if you really want fast and healthy growth, you need to give them the right conditions. Let's start with the first trick. Trick number 1 is giving your plant bright indirect light. Rubber plants love bright environments, but direct harsh sunlight can damage their leaves. If your plant is sitting in a dark corner, it will grow very slowly or may stop growing completely. Place it near a window where it gets plenty of filtered light. If you notice smaller leaves or slow growth, it's usually a sign that your plant needs more light. Better light always leads to faster and stronger growth. Trick number 2 is rotating your plant every week. Most people ignore this, but it makes a big difference. Plants naturally grow toward light, which can cause them to lean to one side. By rotating your rubber plant regularly, you ensure all sides get equal light. This helps the plant grow straight, balanced, and fuller instead of uneven and weak. Trick number 3 is using the right soil mix. Heavy or compact soil can slow down your plant's growth by restricting the roots. A well-draining soil mix made with potting soil, perlite, and cocoa peat allows proper airflow and prevents water from staying too long in the pot. Healthy roots are the foundation of a fast-growing plant, so improving your soil can instantly improve growth. Trick number 4 is watering the smart way. Overwatering is one of the most common mistakes people make. Always check the top 1 to 2 inches of soil before watering. If it feels dry, then water your plant thoroughly. If it's still moist, wait a few more days. This prevents root rot and encourages strong root development, which directly supports faster growth. Trick number 5 is feeding your plant with a liquid fertilizer. If you want your rubber plant to grow quickly, it needs proper nutrients. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season, especially in spring and summer. This helps the plant produce larger leaves and thicker stems. Without feeding, your plant may survive, but it won't reach its full growth potential. Trick number 6 is pruning to stimulate growth. It may sound surprising, but cutting your plant actually helps it grow faster. When you prune the top, the plant redirects its energy into growing new branches. This results in a bushier and more attractive plant instead of just one tall stem. Always use clean tools and prune during the active growing season for the best results. Trick number 7 is cleaning the leaves regularly. Dust can build up on the leaves and block sunlight, which reduces photosynthesis. Take a soft, damp cloth and gently wipe the leaves every couple of weeks. Clean leaves absorb more light, which directly improves the plant's growth speed and overall health. As a bonus tip, always keep your rubber plant in a warm and stable environment. These plants grow best in temperatures between 18 to 28 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing them near cold drafts, air conditioners, or sudden temperature changes. A stable and warm environment helps maintain consistent and faster growth. Another powerful tip is to occasionally loosen the top layer of soil. Over time, soil can become compacted, which reduces airflow to the roots. Gently loosening the topsoil improves oxygen flow and allows water to penetrate more evenly. This small step can improve root health and boost growth without any extra cost. You should also pay attention to leaf color as it gives you signals about your plant's health. Dark green, shiny leaves indicate a healthy and well-fed plant. If the leaves start turning pale, yellow, or develop brown spots, it could be a sign of overwatering, nutrient deficiency, or too much direct sunlight. Identifying these signs early helps you fix problems before they affect growth. Another hidden trick is consistency. Many people change care routines too often, which confuses the plant and slows its growth. Try to maintain a consistent watering schedule, stable lighting conditions, and regular feeding routine. Plants respond better when their environment remains predictable. It's also a good idea to occasionally take your rubber plant outdoors in mild weather. Fresh air and natural light can give your plant a strong growth boost. Just make sure to keep it in shade or indirect sunlight and avoid extreme temperatures. Even a few hours outside every week can improve overall plant health. Finally, patience is key. Even with all these tricks, plants grow at their own natural pace. Instead of expecting overnight results, focus on providing the best conditions consistently. Over time, you will notice stronger stems, larger leaves, and faster overall growth. One fascinating fact is that rubber plants originally got their name because they produce a thick white latex-like sap. In the past, this sap was even used to make natural rubber before modern rubber production methods were developed. Rubber plants are also known for their incredible air-purifying abilities. They can help remove toxins from indoor air, making your living space cleaner and healthier. This is one of the reasons they are so popular as houseplants around the world. Another interesting fact is that rubber plants can live for many years, even decades, if properly cared for. Some indoor rubber plants are passed down through generations because of their long lifespan and strong resilience. Unlike many other houseplants, rubber plants can adapt to different light conditions, but they show their true growth potential only in bright, indirect light. This adaptability is what makes them both forgiving and rewarding for plant lovers. A lesser-known fact is that rubber plant leaves are naturally very thick and glossy because they are designed to store moisture. This helps the plant survive in dry environments and makes the leaves look shiny and attractive without much effort. Rubber plants also have a unique growth pattern. Instead of growing many branches at once, they focus energy on vertical growth first. Once pruned, they start producing multiple side shoots, which is why pruning is so important for a bushy look. If you follow these 7 hidden tricks, your rubber plant will grow faster, healthier, and look much more vibrant. Try these tips and observe the difference over the next few weeks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And let me know in the comments which trick you are going to try first.